Hey, what's up YouTube? Do you have an old smoke alarm made by Kidde that is beeping at you? If it's hardwired, you may have found that the new connection doesn't match the old connection. The old connection you take out using those two tabs. The new connection would slide in there, and obviously they don't fit. However, they do have a solution where you don't have to remove everything all at once and rewire the whole thing. It is an adapter. You slide the adapter on to your existing wiring. Remove the tab for the battery. Slide the new wiring in. Tuck the old wiring into the box as best you can. And the new smoke detector even fits the old base plate. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, or comment.